Hi, my name is Dombozuko Agnes Mtomelo, student number 66557755. This is BPT Assignment 6. This poem is for grade 10 maths learners. It is titled This May, but It Is Not. And it goes like this. This may look tricky. This may sound tricky. This may seem difficult to understand. This may seem impossible to solve. This may, but it is not. Mathematics is all about understanding the rules. When calculating, you always begin on the left-hand side. Whatever you do to the left, you also do to the right. Positive plus positive is positive. Negative plus negative is negative. Negative plus positive is both. It only depends on the absolute value. This may look tricky. This may seem difficult to understand. This may seem impossible to solve. This may, but it is not. Difference of two squares is all about the squared numbers. These numbers can be factorized according to their identities. Bear in mind, the rule is simple. Whenever you multiply the powers of the same bases, you add the indices. Whenever you divide the powers of the same bases, you subtract the indices. This may look tricky. This may sound tricky. This may seem impossible to solve. This may, but it is not. The proof of factorization is simple. You start factorizing from the left-hand side. Apply the distributive law to get to the next step. If needs be, you can use the commutative law, where similar terms with different signs cancel each other. This may lead you to the correct answer. This may look tricky. This may sound tricky. This may seem difficult to understand. This may seem impossible to solve. This may, but it is not. The difference of two squares formula can be used to factorize polynomials. It can also be used to simplify expressions. With the same formula, you can find linear factors. The same formula can rationalize irrational denominators. This may look tricky. This may sound tricky. This may seem difficult to understand. This may seem impossible to solve. This may, but it is not. Mathematics is not your enemy, but it is the tool that runs the whole world. From the biggest bank to the smallest tuck shop, you will find mathematics ruling there. Just master the rules and the laws. You will then see that maths is your friend. Believe in yourself. You can do it better. You can do it too. Maths will never be your enemy. It may look tricky. It may sound tricky. It may seem difficult to understand. It may seem impossible to solve. It may, but it is not. Thank you.